In this section, we will learn about the all complete topics in powers and exponents. And one more thing, in this class, 8th class, it is the easiest chapter, easiest. There is so only some calculations. కొన్ని సింపుల్ క్యాలిక్యులేషన్స్ మాత్రమే ఉంటాయి. ఆ సింపుల్ క్యాలిక్యులేషన్స్ తో డిపెండ్ అయ్యి యు ఆర్ కంప్లీటెడ్ ది చాప్టర్. ఓకేనా? ఎక్కువ హార్డ్ వర్క్ అంటూ ఏమి ఉండదు. జస్ట్ మనం ఎక్స్పాండ్ చేసేది, లేదంటే మనకి టేబుల్స్ వస్తే చాలైనా. టేబుల్స్ ఫస్ట్ మనకు కావాల్సిన టేబుల్స్. యు ఆర్ పర్ఫెక్ట్ ఇన్ టేబుల్స్. టేబుల్స్ అన్ని పర్ఫెక్ట్ అయితే మాత్రం దిస్ చాప్టర్ ఇస్ వెరీ వెరీ ఈజీ వన్. ఓకే? Definition part of exponent is exponential means a number written like a to the power of n, a to the power of n, when n is an integer. N is an integer means either it is a positive or negative, maybe zero also. Where n is power n, that n can be written as an integer. You can written in the form of an integer. ఇక్కడ ఏదైనా ఇంటిజర్ లో ఏదైనా రాసుకోవచ్చు. ఇంటిజర్ మీన్స్ వాట్ అన్నా, ఎనీ పాజిటివ్ నెంబర్స్ ఆర్ ఎనీ నెగటివ్ నెంబర్స్ ఆర్ జీరో ఆల్సో దేర్. ఓకే, యూ క్యాన్ రిటర్న్ ఇన్ ద ప్లేస్ ఆఫ్ ఎనీ write any integer. And here a is any real number. A is any real number means you write any rational number or irrational numbers. Already in the first chapter, మనం ఫస్ట్ చాప్టర్ నేర్చుకున్నాం కదా. వాట్ ఆర్ ద రియల్ నెంబర్ మీన్స్ numbers and irrational numbers. రేషనల్ నెంబర్స్ ని ఇర్రేషనల్ నెంబర్స్ ని కలిపి మనం రియల్ నెంబర్ గా తీసుకుంటాం. అంటే హియర్ యు విల్ టేక్ డెసిమల్ ఫార్మ్, బై ఫార్మ్ ఆర్ ఎనీ, యు కెన్ రైట్ ఎనీ నెంబర్స్, దట్ నెంబర్స్ ఆర్ రియల్ నెంబర్స్. అందుకని ఏ ఇస్ ఎనీ రియల్ నెంబర్ అంటారు. బట్ యు వెన్ యు రైట్ a to the power of n, when you write a to the power of n here, a is base number. Here what you write in the down, that down part is called base, and this is the power. Here n is called exponent or index. Okay, now this is the, there is a two parts, that is a to the power of n, and this up అంటే పైన ఉన్న దాన్ని ఏమంటున్నాం అంటే ఎక్స్పోనెంట్ ఆర్ ఇండెక్స్, అండ్ కింద ఉన్నదాన్ని బేస్ అని అంటున్నాం. ఓకేనా? సో దిస్ ఇస్ ఏ ఇస్ ఏ బేస్, కింద ఉన్న పార్ట్ ని బేస్ అంటున్నాను. పవర్ లో రాసిన దాన్ని, పైన రాసిన దాన్ని ఏమంటున్నాం ఎక్స్పోనెంట్స్ గా తీసుకుంటాం. ఓకేనా? దిస్ ఇస్ ఓన్లీ డెఫినేషన్ పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్పోనెంట్. అండ్ a to the power of n, this can written read as a, దీన్ని ఎట్లా చదవాలంటే a to the power of n, read as a to the power of n, read as a to the power of. In case, for example, 5 to the power of 2 is there. This base is first to read this base. The base is a to the power of, yeah, 5 is there. Then 5 to the power of 2. Here a to the power of n. Here a to the power of 5 to the power of 2. Okay? 5 to the power of 2. Is it clear? Is it clear, Nana? Are you understood? Simplify the following. Then in that three problems are there in that first bit. So see this first one. How to solve this problem means 3 to the power of 7 is there, 3 to the power of 3 is there. Okay, now when in that question they what just asked is simplify the following. Simplify the following means I am writing here what are the bases now? It is base 3 and it is base 3. Then both having bases are same, that is 3, and powers are different. Then you can add the powers. You can add powers. Bases equal గా ఉండి పవర్స్ డిఫరెంట్ గా ఉన్నాయంటే ఏం చేయాలి? బేస్ ని వన్ టైం రాసుకొని పవర్స్ లో ఎన్నైతే ఉంటాయో అవన్నీ కూడా మనం యాడ్ చేయాలి. ఓకేనా? దెన్ పవర్, వాట్ ఆర్ ద పవర్? 7 plus 3 how much? 3 to the power of 10. Is it clear? Then come to this one. It is already expanded, not like this. Just what do you write in this? Here, one, one, one. Nothing means there is one. Okay? Nothing means there is one. So, already I said here, ఆల్రెడీ చెప్పుడు కదా బేసిస్ ఎన్ని టైమ్స్ రిపీట్ అయినా కానీ యూ కెన్ రైట్ ఓన్లీ వన్ టైం ఒకటేసారి రాయాలి ఓకేనా బేస్ ఎన్ని టైమ్స్ రిపీట్ అయినా పర్వాలేదు సేమ్ ఉండాలి డిఫరెంట్గా ఉండదు సేమ్ ఉన్నప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలంటే ఆ బేస్ ఒక్కసారి రాసుకొని పవర్స్ ఉన్నవన్నీ కూడా యాడ్ చేయాలి దెన్ హియర్ ఆల్సో సేమ్ 4 బేస్ 4 4 4 4 4 దెన్ ఐ యామ్ రైటింగ్ 4 దెన్ వాట్ ఇస్ ద నెక్స్ట్ స్టెప్ now can add the powers 1 2 3 4 5 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 5 so it is 4 to the power of 5 4 to the power of 5 are you understood is it clear this one here see this ones there is a bases are different one here base is same here also bases are same but here bases are different what you do now powers also different what you do means I am writing 3 4 times 1 2 3 and 4 and 4 can be written as 3 times 1 2 and 3 then multiply this total okay now 3 3 is 9 9 3 is 27 27 3 is 81 and 4 4 is 16 16 4 is 64 okay multiply these two and write your answer in the class of exponents are two types that are positive and negative positive integral powers positive integral powers and it may maybe it is some negative power integrals also there first we are taking the positive integral powers that are here already you know the definition part of exponents that are for any real number a and positive integral power of n we define as a to the power of n this is the definition part of your exponents already you know and here a to the power of n means what na a to the power of n n means you can write a as a how many times n times if for example 5 cube is there 5 you can write it as a 3 times 5 5 and 5 5 can be written as a 3 times for example 7 square is there 7 and 7 7 can be written as a 2 times like that here also a to the power of n is there then a can be written as a into a into a into a into how many times n times you can written and here a to the power of n is called the nth power of n nth power of n is it clear definition part 0.1 to the power of 0 is there so 0 is something is equal to 0 negative means 0 means that is 0 1 into 0 is 0 0 into 1 is 0 always 0 but in this power in this chapter in this exponent chapter to the power of power లో 0 ఉంటే దాని వాల్యూ ఎప్పుడైనా కానీ 1 any value this value is 1 in case I am taking 100 to the power of 0 this value also 1 in that base you will take any number base lo you will take 100,000 crores lakhs whatever it is but in that exponents exponent అంటే పవర్ లో ఉన్నాయి పైన ఆ పవర్ లో కానీ 0 ఉంటే దాని వాల్యూ ఎప్పుడే కానీ 1 టు ది పవర్ ఆఫ్ పవర్ లో 0 ఉంది అంటే యూ కెన్ రైట్ ఇన్ ద బేస్ పార్ట్ ఈ బేస్ అంటే కింద పార్ట్ లో అంటే ఏ ప్లేస్ లో యూ రైట్ ఎనీ సంథింగ్ వాల్యూ లార్జ్ నెంబర్ ఆర్ స్మాల్ నెంబర్ వాట్ ఎవర్ ఇట్ ఈస్ బట్ ఆన్ ది పవర్ ఆ పవర్ లో మాత్రం 0 ఉంటే దాని వాల్యూ ఎప్పుడైనా కానీ ఎప్పుడు ఎనీ టైం దట్ వాల్యూ ఇస్ 1 కీప్ ఇన్ యువర్ మైండ్ ఓకే దట్ వాల్యూ ఇస్ 1 నెక్స్ట్ here also I am taking some negative number here positive number is computed here 0 is computed here I am taking some negative number sir how you write that negative part means nothing nana em ledhu akkada బేస్లో ఏదైతే ఉంటుందో దాన్ని డినామినేటర్ పార్ట్లో రాయాలి. బేస్లో ఏదైతే ఉంటుందో అది డినామినేటర్ పార్ట్లో రాయాలి. అండ్ 1 బై పైన మాత్రం 1 పెట్టాలి. 1 వాట్ ఈజ్ యువర్ బేస్? దట్ ఈస్ 3. అండ్ మరి 1 ఏం చేద్దాం సార్ అంటే టు ది పవర్ ఆఫ్ 1. ఈ నెగటివ్ పార్ట్ కోసమే నేను బై రాస్తున్నాను. నెగటివ్ పోవడానికి నేను బై ఫామ్లో రాస్తున్నాను, అంతకుమించి ఏం లేదు. ఇక్కడ కూడా ఇంకా పవర్ నేను పవర్ టు ది పవర్ ఆఫ్ 2 తీసుకున్నాను. టు ది పవర్ ఆఫ్ 2 ఈ మైనస్ బదులు ఏం చేస్తున్నామంటే 1/4. ఓకేనా, మైనస్ ఉంది కాబట్టి దీన్ని 1/4గా రాస్తున్నాను. అండ్ స్క్వేర్ అట్లాగే ఉంటుంది. జస్ట్ ఫర్ దిస్ మైనస్, ఈ మైనస్ కోసమే 1 రాస్తున్నాను. ఇక్కడ కూడా మైనస్ ఉంది కాబట్టి 1/3. పవర్ లేదంటే అది మాత్రం అట్లాగే రాసేసాను. దేర్ ఇస్ నో చేంజ్. Is it clear? Any real number of a, you are writing a to the power of n. In this, you can write a is any real number. Real number means you can written as that is by number or decimal form number or numbers and whatever it is. You can write as any real number. Real number means you can write as any type of number. And integral power of n, you can define real number and n be defined as a integer. N is an integer. N is an integer means you will take power of the number. You are wish to take any positive number or negative number and zero also. So then I am writing here 2. Then what will happen now? 1/3 can be written as a 2 times. 1/3 into 1/3. What we are getting? 1 into 1 is 1. 3 3s are 9. And here I am taking some 0. Exercise 4.1. First bit, third question. 3/4 to the power of -3 is there. Then 3/4 to the power of -3 means ఏం లేదన్నా బైలో ఉంది కాబట్టి దీన్ని ఏం చేయాలంటే రెసిప్రోకల్ చేయాలి. అంతే, మైనస్ తీసేయచ్చు. రెసిప్రోకల్ చేస్తే మైనస్ పోతుంది. దిస్ ఇస్ ఓన్లీ వన్ ఆన్సర్. ఏం లేదన్నా, సింపుల్ వన్. బైలో ఉన్నప్పుడు రెసిప్రోకల్ చేయాలి. అంటే డినామినేటర్ ఇస్ న్యూమరేటర్, న్యూమరేటర్ విల్ డినామినేటర్. అండ్ పవర్ ఇస్ సేమ్, అక్కడ నెగటివ్ మార్క్ మాత్రమే పోతుంది. నెంబర్స్ లో ఉంటే ఏమవుతుంది? 5 to the power of -3 ఉంది. ఈ 5 ఏం చేస్తామంటే రెసిప్రోకల్ చేయాలి. ఇక్కడ ఏం లేదంటే 1 కదా, దీన్ని కూడా రెసిప్రోకల్ చేయాలి. 1/5 మైనస్ పోయింది కాబట్టి 3 అట్లా ఉంది. ఇట్ ఈస్ ఐఎమ్ టేకింగ్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, నాట్ ఇన్ ఎక్సెస్. ఓకేనా, 5/1 అంటే 5, దెర్ ఇస్ నథింగ్ దేర్, దట్ ద రీజన్ ఐఎమ్ టేకింగ్ 1. 5/1 టు ది పవర్ ఆఫ్ -3 ఉంది. మైనస్ పోవడానికి ఏం చేసినా అంటే రివర్స్ రాస్తున్నాను, అంటే 1/5 రాస్తున్నాను. మైనస్ పోయింది, 3 అయితే అట్లా ఉంటుంది కదా, అందుకని ఆ 3 అట్లా రాస్తున్నాను. ఇక్కడ కూడా దీన్ని రెసిప్రోకల్ చేద్దాం, అంటే రివర్స్ ఆర్డర్ రాద్దాం. 4/3 to the power of 3. Is it clear? Exercise 4.1. Start with first question and then I am writing second question. First see this first question. It is 2 square means 2 square only into it is 3 square and denominator part again this is negative number. Negative means what na? Negative means you can written as a it will be reciprocal. పైకి వెళ్తే ఏమవుతుంది? ప్లస్ అవుతుంది. Are you understood this? 2 to the power of -2. -2 means what na? 1/2 whole square. 1/2 again there is a by. By again there is a by means it will be reciprocal. Then it is 2 square into it is minus is there. Then you can write 1/3 to the power of 1. Then 2 square into 3 square into 2 square into it is 1/3. Here 1 3, here 1 3 cancel. You are getting 2 to the power of 4 into 3. Is understood? If you are expand this means multiply 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 4 times and 3. Then 2 2 is 4, 4 2 is 8, 8 2 is 16, 16 3 is 48. Then see this one. Already this is negative. Negative means what na? Minus potential 1 by bracket number and to the power of minus ఒకటి పోతుంది అంటే 1 ఉంటుంది. ఇంకా here also minus అంటే 1/3 to the power of 1 only and divided by here also minus means it is 1/6 to the power of 1. Now numerators into numerators and denominators into denominators means 1 1 is 1, 4 3 is 12 into 12 divided by 1/6. Already known no? By again divided by, then it will be reciprocal. 1/12 into 6/1. Sir, ఇది reciprocal ఎందుకు చేసాం సార్ అంటే by again there is a by, again there is a by. 3 by symbols ఉన్నప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలన్నా లాస్ట్ వన్ reciprocal చేయాలి. Then any time. Then 6 1 6 2 again multiply numerators into numerators, denominators into denominators. 1 1 1, 2 1 2. Is it okay? Exercise 4.1, fourth bit, simplify and give regions. Why are taking negative part in the form of by, or why are taking the by can be in the reciprocals of given numbers. So whatever it is, you can write the regions also. 4 to the power of 0. Something to the power of 0 is always the value is 1. Already మనం previous class లో నేర్చుకున్నాం. A to the power of 0 is equal to 1 means any number to the power of 0 is the value is always 1. Then 4 to the power of 0 is equal to 1 into it is minus means 1/5 to the power of 1 into 5 square into 1/3. Then 1 into 1/5. 5 square means what na? 2 times of 5. 5 square means 2 times of 5. 5 into 5 into 1/3. Here 1 by 1, here 1 5 cancel. 1 into 1 into 1 into 5. 5 into 1 5 by 3. Is it clear? See this one. See this one. 1/2 to the power of -3. 1/4 to the power of -3. 1/5 to the power of -3 means already these numbers are in by. మనం ఏమన్నాం నెగటివ్ ఉంటే 1 by something you can write, okay, but already here given 1/2, then how you will write means take the reciprocal. దీని reciprocal అంటే న్యూమరేటర్ డినామినేటర్ చేయండి, డినామినేటర్ ని న్యూమరేటర్ చేసి అంటే 1/2 అంటే 2/1 3. It is -3. That's the reason I am taking the reverse order here also. It is also negative. Then 4/1 to the power of 3. It is also reciprocal. 5/1 to the power of 3. Then it is 2 cube into 4 cube into 5 cube. This is only answer, no? If you are writing complete answer means write this 2 into 2 into 2 3 times, 4 into 4 into 4 3 times, 5 into 5 into 5 3 times. After multiply that all numbers, you are getting one single number. That is your answer. Nothing that much of you don't know. No need. Just to write this much only. Okay? Here they are asking the give regions also. Means what is the region now? 4 to the power of 0 is equal to 1. Why? Because a to the power of 0 is equal to 1. This is the region. And here there is no negative. And here also some region. What is 1/a to the power of -1 is equal to a. It is the region for the you are writing this type of this form of the given number. Is it clear? 1 first exercise, fourth chapter first exercise, fourth bit, third question. 2 to the power of -1 plus 3 to the power of -1 plus 4 to the power of -1. What is say the -1? -1 ఉంటే ఏం చేయమని చెప్పాను? You can write 1 by that base. బేస్లో ఏదైతే ఉందో అది మాత్రమే రాయాలి. అంటే 1/2 to the power of 1 plus here also minus means 1/3 to the power of 1 plus here also minus, that's the reason I am writing 1/4 to the power of 1 into 3/4. Then this all are addition, this one idokkate manaki multiplication. Then it is 1/2 plus 1/3 plus 1/4 into 3/4. Then take LCM of 2, 3, 4 nana. 2, 3, 4. 2 1 are 3 and 2 2 are 4. 2 1 are 2, 2 3 are 6, 6 2 are 12. LCM is 12 enough. In 2 table 12, 6 times. Multiply here. 6 1 are 6 plus 3 table 12, 4 times. 1 4 are 4 plus 4 table 12, 3 times. 3 1 are 3. Then into it is 3/4. Then add this total. 6 plus 4 13. 13 plus 3 6 plus 4 10. 10 plus 3 13. 13/12 into 3/4. Again multiply this 2. 13 3 are 39 by 12 4 are 48. Is it clear? 1/3 square into 3 into 3 to the power of 0 is equal to 1. Here negative number is there, that's the reason I am writing 1/3. 3 square into 3 into, like a mixed fraction. 3 1 are 3 minus 1, 2/3 means 1 2 are 2. 3 square means 3 into 3, 3 into 3. Then 2 by 3 3 are 9, 9 9 are 81. Is it clear? Fine. But power is in negative. Power is in negative means reciprocal the term. Reciprocal the term. 3/2. 3/2 square to the power of 4 square. So it is 3/2 to the power of 2 to the 4. This is the answer for this. Is it okay? Exercise 4.1, fifth question. Minus 2 nana. It is 3 square into 3 into 3 minus 2 square means 2 into 2 divided by 1/5 to the whole to the power of square. Then 3 3 are 9 minus 2 2 are 4 divided by 1/5 to the power of 2. 3 minus 9 minus 4 nana 5 divided by 1/5. But you don't think if this one cancel. Okay, no need to cancel this one and this one. Why? There is into means you are doing like that. But here into is not there. Then 5 it will be reciprocal. By again by means into it will be reciprocal. Then 5 times how much now? 25 square. 25 square means what? 25 into 25 means 625. Is it okay? Clear? It is 5 square cube means 2 3 is 6. 5 to the power of 6 into 5 to the power of 4 divided by 5 to the power of 6. Again, already you know bases are equal means power should be added. Bases are equal, then power should be added. It is divided by 5 to the power of 6. 5 to the power of 10 is divided by 5 to the power of 6. So 5 to the power of 10, 5 to the power of 6. Already you know base and here both bases are equal. Then 5 to the power of 10, this by can written as a negative number. Then 5 to the power of 10 minus 6 is 4. Multiply this 5 into 5 into 5 4 times. Then it is 625. Is it clear now? Exercise 4.1, sixth bit. Find the value of n. Where is n? This is n. Then we have to find out the value of n. Then first I am taking 2 by 3 and 2 by 3 and 2 by 3. Then bases are here equal. Bases are equal means power should be added. Then bases are equal. Then I am writing 2 by 3 to the power of power should be added. 3 plus 5. Here 2 by 3 n minus 2. Then 2 by 3 3 plus 5 8 is equal to 2 by 3 to the power of n minus 2. Then see in LHS RHS both bases are equal. Then powers also equal. Then 8 is equal to n minus 2. Send this 2 here. 8 plus 2 is equal to n. Then n is equal to what now? 8 plus 2 is equal to how much? 10. Is it clear? 1, 2n plus 1 is divided by, take LCM of 49 now. We are getting 7 square is equal to this 7 cube. Then see this 7 2n plus 1 divided by means what now? Into 7 to the power of minus 2. Already know. By in the ikkada. Then by means we are writing in negative part. Is equal to 7 cube. See this? Bases are here equal. Bases are equal. Then power should be added. Then 7 2n plus 2 2n plus 1 minus 2 is equal to 7 cube. 7 here 2n minus 2 plus 1 minus 1 is equal to 7 cube now. Again LHS RHS both bases are equal. Then powers also equal. 2n minus 1 is equal to 3. Send this one there. 2n is equal to 3 plus 1. Then 2n is equal to 4. n is equal to 4 by 2. Then 2 1 2 2 means therefore n is equal to 2. Is it clear? Minus 1 means 1 by 2 plus it is 1 by 3 plus something to the power of 0 means that is 0, right? Something to the power of 0, that value is always 1. Already I said. Something to the power of 0 means that value is always 1. 10,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. But here base is 4. Whatever it is, your power is 0. Power is 0 means that value is always 1. Then 1 plus 1, 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3. 1 plus 1, 2 now. 1 by 2 and 1 by 3. Then take LCM. 2 3 is 6. Then nothing means 1. 1 table 6. 6 times. 6 2 is 12. 2 table 6. 3 times. 1 3 is 3. 3 table 6. 2 times. 2 1 is 2. Then add this all. 12 plus 3. 15. 15 plus 2. 17. 17 by 6. Clear? What is that given? 2 to the power of minus 3 is equal to 1 by 2 to the power of x. Yeah, minus is there. What to do? 2 is 3 is equal to 1 by 2 to the power of x. Yeah, 1 is equal to 1. LHS and RHS. Compare both sides. 1, 1. Here 2 cube is equal to 2x. Then 2 cube is equal to, here you are getting 2x. Then again compare. Bases are equal. Then powers x is equal to 3. Is it okay for 7th one? Exercise 4.1 9th bit. First question. 9m square minus 10n cube. Then substitute the m and n values in this question. 9 m is 3 square minus 10 n cube means 2 cube. Just I am replacing the m plus 3 n plus 2. n ఎక్కడ ఉందో అక్కడ 3 ని సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తున్నాను. n ఎక్కడైతే ఉందో అక్కడ 2 ని సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తున్నాను. ఓకే? Then 9 into 3 square means what na? 2 times 10 2 3 times. Then 9 into 9 9 is 3 3 is 9. minus 10, 2 1 ja 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, then 9 9 ja 81, 10 8 ja 80, then how much na 81 minus 80 1. Is it clear?
Clear, sir.
2, what is that? That means 3. 2, that means 2 square. Then 2 into 3 can be written as 2 times. And 2 can be written as 2 times. Then multiply. 3 3 is 9, 2 2 is 4. Then 4 9 is 36, 36 into 2, 72. Is it clear? It will be larger number. You can modify it to smaller. Okay, smaller means, for example, 2 square into 3 is there. 2 square into 3 ఉంది ఏం చేస్తాం 2 square means 4 into 3 4 3 is 12 we can write it as a simple 2 digit number 12 right. If for example I am taking 0.0000123 0.123 triple 0 and 123 then you can written as a you can written as first to write the byte. This point means 1. After point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 10 into 10, otherwise 10 to the power of 6. Point is there, that's the reason I am taking byte. After point, 6 digits are there. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 digits are there. Then I am taking 10 to the power of 6. If for example, 0.0000000002. Now, first keep byte. After this point means 10. After point, how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10 to the power of 9. Are you clear this one? Up to here. Clear. Leave that all zeros are now. Left side zeros. Leave that all zeros of left side. Left side ఉన్న zeros అన్ని కూడా తీసేసాడు. What are the right side of the numbers? Only you will take only numbers. What are the numbers? 1, 2, 3 only here. This is the answer. See this is here also. Leave the all zeros. What is the number? 2 only. So this is only answer. Then I am giving one more example. You will get the clarity. 2.279432. Okay, now first what to do now? First to do keep by this point means 10. After point now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 means to the power of 6. Any zeros in left side? No. Is it okay for you? Point less out ఏం చేయాలి left side numbers 1, 4, 9, 6 into keep into numbers and అయిపోగానే ఏం చేయాలి into పెట్టేసి for all zeros numbers మాత్రమే రాస్తున్నాను zeros రాయట్లేదు for that all zeros take 10 to the power of how many zeros are there 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 meters is meters but count that how many zeros are there that much of 10 to the power of that much of number I am writing here. Is it clear? How can you write this? First leave that all zeros. What is the number here? 695 into 2 zeros only. Then 10 to the power of 2. Only 2 zeros into 10 I am writing. Into 10 to the power of 2. If there is a by means you can write by. Point is there. Point undi antene a point number se by form lo రాయాలి. There is no point. And point is not point లేదు కాబట్టి into 10 గా రాస్తాం. The point is there. How you write? First keep 0.005. Then what to do now? First do by In that by write 10. For that 10, after point 1, 2, 3, 3 and left side zeros. Remove these all zeros, you write 5. Then 2, here also I am writing 2. It is what now? 0.01 centimeter. First keep by 10. After point 1, 2 means I am writing 2. Remove all zeros. There is only 1. That is 1. Is it clear? Do this second bit 61 problem. Then how you write this one? First leave this one 10 to the power of 4. First modify this one. First one keep by 10. After digits, how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 10 to the power of 6. Remove these all zeros. 437 into 10 to the power of 4. So it is in denominator part. Then denominator part means can written as a negative number 10 to the power of 6 and 10 to the power of 4 and 437 into this check here. Bases are equal here. Bases are equal means power should be added. 10 to the power of minus 6 plus 4. Minus 6 means I am writing minus 6 only. Plus 4. Minus 437 into 10 to the power of 6 minus 4. 2. But biggest number having minus. Then this minus. It is 437 into 10 to the power of minus 2. Is it clear? 4.1 fifth one. X to the power of minus 3 into x to the power of minus 2 is equal to x to the power of minus 6 given. So it is right or wrong? First do your solution here. X to the power of here bases are here equal. Bases are equal means power should be added. Bases x and x, then I am writing x. Power should be added minus 3 and minus 2. What you get now? X to the power of minus 3 minus 2. Both numbers having minus, then you can add. 3 plus 2 is minus 5. But we are multiplying the two terms. Actually, you are doing the add. Bases are equal means power should be added. That is the concept. So bases are equal here equal. Then power should be added. Minus 3 minus 2. Then we are taking into. You are getting minus 3. But he is doing right or wrong? He is doing wrong. Actual answer is x to the power of minus 5. Therefore, write the region. Region is he multiply the powers. Okay now. Actually, we are adding the powers, but he is doing multiplication of the powers. Clear? Just to be second one. X cube by x square is equal to x to the power of 4. Is it right or wrong? Just expand this. X cube means x cube means you can write it x into x into x by x into x 2 times. It is 3 times. It is 2 times. 1x cancel. 1x cancel. You are getting only x. But we will do it x to the power of 4. So answer is right or wrong? Answer is absolutely wrong. Then write the region. Region is wrong. Here. What to do? A by m and a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m minus n. Okay now, this is the region now. If you are doing another method, second method also, then that second method you can written in the form of this formula method. That is x cube by x square is equal to, see this, bases are here equal, then here base is x, here power and here power. Do the subtraction of denominator. 3 minus 2 means x to the power of 1. See, we are getting the same answer. That's the region. According to this formula, see this. This is also same. 2 cube. So this is how can you write this? I have a formula of a to the power of m and n. Then we can written as a m into n. Otherwise m into n. This is the formula to write the solution. X to the x square to the power of whole cube means 2 3 is 6. X to the power of 6. But we got x to the power of 8. So therefore write the region. Region is 2 into 3. 2 into 3 is equal to 6. But he is doing 2 into 3 is equal to 8. It is a wrong. Okay? Minus 2. Minus is there means what to do? X to the power of minus 2 means write 1 by this x and this minus means it will become plus. This minus can be written as a 1 by base is I am writing denominator for and by answer కాబట్టి ఏమవుతుంది this will be plus. So what you get now? This is your answer, but you are getting 1 by square root of x. So right or wrong? Region is equal to if x square there means it is also not right. It is 1 by whole to the power of square is there, but not but is not equal to x to the power of minus 2. Okay, the solution. And see this one 3 x to the power of minus 1. For minus 1, when there is a whole to the power of minus 1 means that minus belong to both terms. You don't need question. It is minus 1. Listen it carefully. 3x to the whole to the power of minus 1 means this is right. But vice versa means it is 3x to the power of minus 1. రెండింటి కలిపి మైనస్ 1 ఉంది అందుకని ఇట్లా రాయడంలో తప్పేం లేదు బట్ యు ఆర్ గివెన్ ఫర్ ఓన్లీ x minus 1 for only x not for 3 then 3 is 3 but x term only you can written as 1 by x to the power of 1. Yes or no? Minus 1 belongs to only x not for 3. That's the reason I am writing like this. Multiply this 3 1s are 3 by x. But in the first answer 1 by 3x is given. What is the reason? Region is equal to 3 to the power of minus 1 is equal to 3 by x. But 3 to the power of whole to the power of minus 1 belongs to 1 by 3x. Itla istare itla rastaru. It is the right. It is the wrong. This is the wrong. This is the right. Are you okay?